Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another session of free session on Botany Insider. So let's begin with the class now. Okay, let's begin with the class now, right? We'll be discussing about the previous year questions and we'll be trying to solve out questions so that we can prepare for the upcoming examination in a much better way, right? Because the examination is round the corner, so it's good to practice out as much questions as possible. Let's begin. Before starting the class, we have a number of courses running for you all. If you're new to Botany Insider, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. Right? We have a previous year question course ongoing for you all. Then we have a full course, crash course, previous year practice course. Then we also have the recorded segment of number of courses available. Right? Now we are about to start with our mastery course for the December 2024 from 15th of June. So from 15th of June, the course is starting for the December 2024 examination. So those of you who are willing to join in, or those of you who are willing to find a course where you need every single thing at one place, then this mastery course is going to help you out in the best manner. The WhatsApp number can be used for any details, any queries that you require for the course. So WhatsApp us on this number if you wish to get your any query resolved. Right? This is the first question for you all. Today, major questions that I have taken up are from part C, that is 4 marker. So first question is from your cell adhesion molecules. In the tissue, cells are bound together by physical attachment between cell to cell and between cell to the ECM. Following are some of the characteristics of the cell junctions. Which of the following combination represents the combination of all the incorrect statements? You need to find out which of the following are incorrect. So try the question, everyone. In the tissue, cells are bound together by physical attachment between cell to cell or between cell to the ECM. Following are some of the characteristics of the cell junctions, and you need to find out which of the following are the incorrect statements. Try it out. Let's see. In a tissue, the cells are bound together by physical attachment between cell to cell or between the cell to the ECM. Following are some of the characteristics of the cell junctions. First, tight junctions are cell to cell junctions connecting the intermediate filament of one cell with that of the adjacent cell. Desmosomes are cell matrix anchoring junctions connecting actin filament in one cell to the matrix extracellular matrix. Then gap junctions are the channel forming junctions allowing the passage of small water soluble molecules from cell to cell. Then tight junctions are the occluding junctions that seal the gap, and then you have the hemidesmosomes are the cell matrix anchoring junctions connecting the intermediary filaments in one cell to that of the extracellular matrix. So which of the following combination is, or which of the following are the incorrect statements? See, D option is for sure correct because it is the tight junction that seals up the gap. So I can eliminate option number D. And option number A is wrong because it is saying that it connects the intermediate filament. So A statement is wrong. D statement is the correct one in terms of the normal facts, right? So my answer for the question will be option number A only. Very good, those of you who got the answer correct. And those of you who are afraid of participating in the class just for the sake that you might get a wrong answer, please make sure that you are participating, then only you'll be able to improve, right? So make sure to participate. A and B are the wrong statements, all other statements are the correct ones. Next question, recessive lethal alleles are never completely eliminated from the population because of which of the following conditions? Try the question everyone, simple and easy question. Very simple question. Recessive lethal alleles are never completely eliminated from the population because lethal alleles are always conditional in nature. Lethal alleles have selective advantage. Lethal alleles protect the organism from other deleterious mutation, and then they are maintained in a population as heterozygotes. So, which of the following is the correct one? Lethal alleles are always conditional, always. They have selective advantage. They protect the organism from deleterious, and they are maintained as heterozygotes. So, which of the like why they cannot be completely eliminated? Because they are maintained as heterozygotes, and as a result of being there in the heterozygotes, there are chances for the individual to showcase that particular trait in the upcoming generation time and again, right? Next question, give it a try too. Okay, this particular question everyone, how many hydrogen bonds involving the backbones CO and NH can be observed in the alpha helix consisting of 15 amino acid residues? Try it out, very easy question, numerical based. done everyone? Let's see how many hydrogen bonds involving the backbone of CO and NH can be observed in the alpha helix consisting of 15 amino acid residues. So it's a alpha helix. So alpha helix formula for finding out the number of hydrogen bonds is n minus 4, where n so showcases your amino acids, right? So 15 minus 4, that is 11. This is the formula that you have to remember for finding out the answer for this particular question. That's why B is the correct answer. N minus 4, 11 is the correct answer. Next question, give it a try to this. The table below gives you a list of the morphological features in the group of plants, liverworts and mosses. So you need to find out which of the following option represents correct match between the two columns. Try the question everyone. Easy and simple question. Liverworts and mosses, these are the classes of your bryophytes that we have. Try the question everyone. Very simple question. Given below are the list of the morphological features and the group of the plants that we have. So liverworts, mosses, unicellular rhizoids, multicellular rhizoids, presence of pyrenoids, stomata, and then the dominant gametophyte. So which of the following option represents the correct match between the two columns? So you have the liverworts and then you have the mosses. So answer is option number D. Very good. If you're able to remember about the segment of the concept in your like classification, it's a very good thing. Liverworts have unicellular rhizoids and a dominant gametophyte. Mosses have multicellular rhizoids, stomata on the sporophyte, and the dominant gametophyte. D is the correct answer, not B. Okay, many of you have marked the answer as option number D, but B is the correct answer, not option number D, because dominant gametophyte is a characteristic for both of them, because both of them belong to your bryophytic, or both of them are bryophytes only. That's why mosses and liverworts, both of them will be having your dominant gametophyte as the main characteristics. And after that, liverworts have unicellular rhizoids, mosses have multicellular rhizoids, stomata on the sporophyte, and the dominant gametophyte, right? Now, just one additional information. We are starting off with the December 2024 course. From 15th of June, the enrollments for the same are open. Many students have already joined the batch. So if any one of you who is interested in joining up the December batch, you can join in with the help of our application. All the links are in the description box as well. So download our app and get yourself enrolled in the same. Hard copy notes will be delivered to your doorstep. Weekly test, revision cycles will be there. All PDF available. Price for the same is 5445, and for the time being we have a special price of 4999 for the enrollment of initial students, right? Next question for you all. Try the question everyone. You need to find out the order of genes on the bacterial chromosome. Order of genes on the bacterial chromosome need to be found out. Try the question. Easy, simple, basic. Let's see. The DNA is isolated from a strain of bacterium with a genotype of A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus and E plus, right? And they're transformed into all the negatives. The transformants were tested for the presence of the donated genes. The co-transformed genes were found as follows. Now the co-transformation was A and B were together, C and E were together, D and C were together and B and D were together. So we need to find out which of the following is the order. So see, A and B are coming together, so we can write A and B together. Then B and D together, so I can write down D over here, right? Then D and C are coming together, C and E are coming together. So A, B, D, C, E. D will be the correct answer for this question. Very good, Akash and Sweetie, correct answers. These type of questions are the simplest of all, in which the order of the gene you need to just find out with the help of the co-transformation that's there in. Right, let's do one more question, a smaller one. Okay, give it a try to this. The table list below gives you the different class of retrospons information. You need to find out the correct answer, or you need to match X and Y together. Easy question, try it out. Let's see. LTR, non-LTRs and sign. So LTR is, these are all classes of the retrotransposons. So answer is option number A, in which LTR are the belongs to copia element, non-LTR 7 to 21 base pair target sequences, and SINE is ALU element. So A is the correct answer for this particular question. Simple and easy question, basic question. If you have learned about these things, you will never ever make mistake in such question. This is done. Next, pattern of cleavage. Write down in the chat section. Pattern of cleavage that is observed in mammals: radial, spiral, rotational and bilateral. Write down. What is the pattern of cleavage observed in mammals? Simple, it is your rotational, right? Pattern which is observed in the mammals is your rotational one. Simple and easy question, right? We'll be discussing the remaining questions in the next class. There is some, like, I guess, a lag that is occurring, and many students are like texting on WhatsApp right now. So C is the correct answer for this question. We'll discuss the remaining questions in the next class. In addition to that, we have a December 2024 course running on our app, starting on 15th of June on our application. So those of you who are willing, the link for the same is in the description box. You can click on the link and get yourself enrolled, and you can also WhatsApp on this number for any query, for any type of doubt that you have regarding the course. Okay, bye everyone, take care, let's meet.